In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. If you are using Samsung keyboard, click on this gear at the top of it. Then select Theme section and pick one of those to apply it. If you want to try something more interesting, just go into Play Store and switch Samsung keyboard to Gboard. You need to download Gboard app from Google Developer and when it's ready, launch it. Then hit Enable in Settings. Use this switcher next to Gboard to activate it and hit OK. Go back, tap on Select Input Method and hit Gboard. Then select Done. Now you need to click on Theme and pick any of those by tapping on a perfect one for you. Lastly, manage keyborders thanks to this switcher and hit Apply. In order to customize it instead, you can go back to Gboard app or launch your keyboard and click on this icon of a color palette. Then use this plus under My Themes and tap on any photo that you wish to apply as your new keyboard background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and select Next. Adjust background darkness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage keyborders and select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!